Good morning, everybody. Today we're at 26149 Park Avenue. This is number 17. Single family home, 4-bed, 3 full baths, 2-story. Walking in, you do have your staircase here, along with full bath right off the entry here, as well as a bedroom downstairs, ceiling fan. All of the bedrooms are carpeted, and then you do have this vinyl plank flooring in here. This would be your open concept living room, dining, and kitchen area. Is that dining with slider just off to the patio? Gorgeous kitchen, beautiful walk-in pantry. You do see TV mount there, as well as electronic fireplace or electric fireplace. And then living space. Here's a look in this pantry. Lots of storage. They utilize that under the stairs perfectly. Stainless steel appliances, all included. Dishwasher, fridge, stove, oven, microwave. Nice big sink. Lots of counter space for food prep. You also do have soft close drawers and cabinets. Here's another look here. The small patio does have enough room for a little seated area here, patio set. Some plants here. I'll give you another look. And then the garage is detached. Access through side gate here as well. 2-car garage, again detached. So this is accessible behind the unit. Let's go in and head upstairs for the other 3 bedrooms, 2 full bath, and laundry. Bedroom 2. Pretty identical to the downstairs. Ceiling fan, mirrored closet. Laundry room with some upper cabinets there for storage. Bedroom 3. Second full bath with dual sinks. And then master bedroom here. Master bedroom does have ensuite, bathroom, and large walk-in closet. Nice big shower. And then huge closet. Lots of storage space. So if you're interested, want to give this property a look, 26149 Park Avenue, City of Loma Linda, 4-bed, 3-bath, offered by TrueDoorPM.com. Thanks, guys.